I'm a workaholic, I'm obsessed with my job, and I put everything to the side, including my personal life. So today, we are not neglecting it anymore. We're gonna tackle the pileup of my life and do my to-do list. And this video hopefully motivates you guys to do your to-do list and not neglect your personal lives anymore. Hey guys, today we are going to refresh, reset, get my life back together because I've neglected it a little bit. And let me explain. Yeah, my life is kind of a clogged toilet right now, and there's just some shit I need to get done and get my life back together, so I'm gonna vlog that for you guys today. I'm a very obsessive person, if you know me personally. When I get into something, like, I'm all in. I'm all in or I'm not at all in. And my extreme personality really leads me to neglect the little things. And ultimately, when you neglect the little things, like the little things they pile up and they become big problems. Little things like not picking up, not keeping on top of your beauty routine, not replacing things that you run out of in the apartment, like all that literally piles up into the perfect storm, which I'm currently living in. I am in the eye of the storm of my personal life right now. So this is the video I really wanted to film this week. Yeah, I'm gonna be super honest. I have ADHD, recently diagnosed. A lot of things make sense. I'm not gonna make ADHD my personality trait. I'm not gonna put the blame on ADHD, but it's there. I'm working through it without going into detail. But while I'm in the process of trying to get a grip of that, I really feel like getting my life together is gonna make me feel so good. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me today, and I actually have a to-do list on my phone. But anyways, I don't want to waste any more time. I'm really excited. We're going to be really productive today, and we're going to chit chat and get things done. So let's go. Okay, so before I do anything today, before I declutter, I want to open all these packages that I've put off opening. I don't know why I'm like this, because I used to want to be able to open up all my packages right away. I put things off when I get really overwhelmed. Oh my God, the cutest bikinis. Oh my God, this is like a little 70s pattern. No way. These are all 70s pattern. And then we got some funky green 70s pattern, but like groovy vibes. I have brunette shampoo. Cool blonde conditioner. I'm gonna give this to Gabby. We got some jewels. We got some jewelry. A lot of you guys have been asking where I get my jewelry from too. And one of my favorite stores that I came across on Instagram is Alto Jewels. This is like obviously like Niki jewelry. I ordered tramp stamps. I want to take some pictures with some tattoos like in my southern region. I'm so excited. This is a shit ton of chargers. So I'm watering my plants and decluttering the island, and I'm looking at these candles, RIP. This candle actually had sea glass in it, and I burned it all the way through. So now you guys see why Bath & Body Works is on my to-do list. Like, I need new candles. We're gonna get rid of these. Also, all my Bath & Body Works wall plugins have ran out. We need some good scents flowing in here, so we're gonna replace that and go to Bath & Body today. All empty. I just remembered that I have a shit ton of wall plugins in this drawer that I forgot about, and yeah, we're gonna replace them now. My nail appointment is in 30 minutes. Like, look how grown out they are. Like, they're so cute, but they're so grown out. I'm not even gonna show you guys my toes. That's another story, but we need a pedicure really bad. All right, we're gonna go get my nails done. Fuck. No, I do not have a new car. My car is actually in service, and this is a loaner car that they gave me, and it's actually really fucking nice. I know this sounds weird, but part of the reason I really love living where I do is for these kinds of days. Like, I avoided getting my shit together and running errands in LA at all costs because the traffic gave me so much anxiety, and I didn't know where anything was because I was like a newbie in a city. The traffic was insane. That's the one thing imprinted in my brain from living in LA. And I feel like here, like the town that I live in Pennsylvania, like it's so cozy and comforting, and my nail salon's so cute, and the Bath & Body Works here is so cute, and like I know where everything is, and it's just It takes the edge off and it makes me actually get things done that I need to get done. We are here. We are going in with these nails. Let's see what we come out with. I don't think I'm bringing in this camera because I have too much social anxiety. Honestly, it's not even worth it. Like, I think getting your nails done is one of the most boring things ever. I just personally, like, and this probably is the ADHD talking, and honestly, this vlog is probably exposing a lot of my symptoms. It's so hard for me to sit there when I get my nails done. Like, it's so hard. I get so bored. I'm gonna get my toes done. My toes are disgusting. I feel like I'm gonna feel so good after this. I'll catch up with you guys when I'm done getting my nails. All right, guys, don't hate me. We still got the same nails. I can't sit there that long. Like, I was really ambitious with the pedicure and nails all in one shot. That's like being in the nail salon for like 4 hours. I was in there for an hour and a half getting my pedicure. I'll insert some photos. I got firecracker red toes. They're really hot. Foot fetish people, go away. We don't want you here. Actually, everybody's welcome, but please don't fetishize my feet by inserting this footage. I am now going to go do my candle restock. I know a lot of people are probably like, Nikki, like, there's so many things you could do in a reset video or on a reset day, but for some reason, aromatherapy is so important to me. Like, smells really make me feel put together and like happy. So we gotta go get that candle restock. Bath & Body Works is a bit of a drive away from where I live, but there was a new Sephora that recently went up near my apartment that I want to check out. Oh no! So I'm going to go check out the Sephora and see if there's good candles. I actually heard there's like these really expensive but really fucking good candles that I've seen on TikTok. So I want to do my candle restock today because I know if I don't do it today, I'm not going to do it because there's more important things at the top of my to-do list on the daily. So I'm going to use today to do like the small things, like I said in the beginning of this video, that make my life more quality, like candles. Candles make me happy. So this is my favorite strip mall that I go to, the Super Walmart, literally the biggest Walmart. This is the new Sephora. Guys, I'm so happy. We got a Kohl's, we got a Sam's Club, we got a Staples, we got a Walmart. You guys, fuck my life. Literally fuck my life. This is inside of Kohl's. I totally misread that. We're gonna go to Target for candles. Fuck this. Oh my god. My mood right now. So the candles I got are Daydream, and it basically smells like cactus and rose, very earthy. I got Balance, and it smells really good. It almost has like a coconutty, warm scent. It's really good. Then we got Intention, and it smells like Palo Santo and thyme. And then we have Relax and Renew. Again, it smells warm and cozy. I feel like I'm gonna put Balance near my desk and Relax and Renew in my living room. Smells so good. So whenever my life gets super piled up, my meals start becoming shit. And I feel like today, since I'm doing my whole to-do list and I'm trying to feel better, might as well make myself a really nutritious, yummy meal that I really enjoy. Voila. Here we go. All right, now the unrelatable part of this video. My assistant's here.
I'm back.
She's back.
After how long?
It's been a while.
I'm always in and out.
Today she's here to help me. We gotta go over scheduling. That's what she's good at.
That's my forte.
I'm so bad at scheduling, so we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna go into my closet office and plan away. Okay. This is the most stressful part for me, but it's essential.
Okay, so what's on your calendar that you want to add? Because as of right now, everything's pretty much set.
They want me to do a shoot September 2nd in the city for a magazine. No, I would look at the 23rd to the 30th of September for a trip.
supposed to have a PR call every single Thursday at 12:30?
I think it's every other week. I would double check. Now we are planning videos for all the 4 months we have booked out with trips and projects and stuff. So as you guys know, taking on, taking off, hanging back up jewelry, you know, over time it gets pretty disorganized and pretty messy. And if I'm in a rush, I'll just like throw it somewhere, put it somewhere, maybe leave it on like the surface, not hang it up. So I feel like organizing this jewelry area is gonna make me feel so much better. I put all my silver necklaces behind all my beaded and fun necklaces. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. The new organization, let me show you guys. I'm actually really proud. I haven't used this little hand that I've had just chilling here. And I'm able to like color coordinate my rings and add some organization. Like here we have red and yellows, we got blues, and then we got pinks and purples. I still love this chaotic wallpaper. My quarantine brain was something, wasn't it? Yup. It's like the universe knew I was doing a reset day. I literally just got this package of an entire skincare regimen that I really want to try out. This note says, "Hi Nikki, it's hot, you're hot, we got you covered this summer with all the essentials. We're pleased to bring you our bad and dewy mailer. Enjoy your goodies, can't wait to see you looking all bad and dewy. Zit sticka." We have milk products, Caudalie. I don't know how you say this. That's my favorite brand. I want to take off all my makeup, get comfy. Like this was a cute little outfit, but I've worn it all day. I want to get in like a sweat set, hair up, no makeup, and then really do everything I had on the rest of my to-do list. All right. I look so ridiculous. I feel like Gabby, I'm not gonna lie. We have a steamer. We're going to give my skin a break. I've been wearing a lot of makeup weirdly lately. I also have a conference call right now, and I'm gonna do my skincare on my conference call. Hey. Hey guys, so I just took off the face mask and my skin is so perfect. Like, it makes me really think I need to be doing face masks way more than I actually do them. But I have my journal where I come up with video ideas, or journal. This journal is where I come up with video ideas. It's the holy grail. I also schedule video ideas, and I also journal my feelings in here. So I'm gonna journal. And I also have this book. It's called Untamed by Glennon Doyle. I actually started it and got pretty far last summer, and I never opened it back up. I'm gonna read a little, and then when I'm tired of this, I'm gonna journal, and vice versa. I don't have my phone around me because that is the most distracting thing for me. So I'm gonna chill out. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I feel so much better than when I started this video. Having to do things you put off is a little intimidating, especially when you have focus problems like me. And I just feel like this literally reset me. It sounds so dramatic, but it's the little things. Like, you always hear that quote, like, it's the little things in life. And it really is, because if you neglect like your social life, your personal life, your apartment, like, you're not gonna feel good. You're not gonna feel good. And maybe it's the candle smells getting to me, but I'm so fucking happy right now. I'm excited for tonight. I feel like I'm gonna actually allow myself to watch one of my favorite TV shows, have fun and relax. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you want to see on this channel. There's so much coming. Literally subscribe to me, hit the bell, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok and Twitter. There's so much coming, and I'm teasing everything little by little on all my social medias. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really genuinely love making this type of content, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next Niki video, whatever that may be. Comment down below. I take requests, and yeah, I'll see you guys. Mwah. Love you. Bye.